Welcome to our top 10 countdown of life hacks that can make your life easier and possibly even more fun. We have some intriguing hacks on deck, from organizing your workspace to mastering the art of quick decision making. Stay tuned to find out what they are. Starting at number 10, let's make your workspace more productive. The magic of an organized workspace is undeniable. It fuels productivity, reduces stress, and fosters creativity. How do we achieve it, you ask? Begin by decluttering, getting rid of unnecessary items. Then, establish a system to keep things in place. Remember, every item should have a home. And most importantly, make tidying up a regular habit, not a once-in-a-blue-moon activity. So, a clean workspace is a productive workspace. Remember that. At number 8, let's embrace the minimalist lifestyle. Minimalism isn't about owning less, it's about freeing your life of unnecessary clutter. It gives you less stress, more freedom, and more time. To adopt this lifestyle, start by decluttering, just like we did with our workspace in the previous tip. But this time, take it a step further and focus only on essentials. Avoid unnecessary purchases that add clutter to your life. Remember, every item you own should serve a purpose. Embracing minimalism can have a profound impact on your mental health, making you feel lighter and more focused. So remember, less is more when it comes to living a fulfilling life. Coming in at number 7, let's learn the power of saying no. It's crucial to set boundaries and prioritize your needs. Saying no might seem difficult at first, but with practice, it becomes easier and guilt-free. This doesn't mean being negative or uncooperative, but rather, understanding your limits and not overextending yourself. The art of saying no can greatly improve your mental health and relationships. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, reducing stress and increasing satisfaction. Remember, saying no can sometimes be the most empowering word you can say. Sliding into number 8, let's embrace the power of gratitude. This is more than just saying thank you. It's about recognizing the good in your life and appreciating it. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can improve mental health, promote better sleep, and even strengthen relationships. You can start by keeping a gratitude journal, expressing thanks to those around you, or taking a moment each day to reflect on positive experiences. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you'll notice a significant boost in your overall happiness. Remember, a little gratitude can go a long way to enrich your life. Halfway through our list at number 8, it's time to invest in yourself. It's crucial to understand that self-improvement and lifelong learning are keys to personal and professional success. This could mean taking online courses to upgrade your skills, reading books to broaden your knowledge, or pursuing hobbies that spark your creativity. By investing in yourself, you're not only enhancing your abilities, but also boosting your confidence and self-esteem. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, dedicate time to nurture and grow your skills and watch as you thrive in all aspects of life. Coming in at number 8, let's talk about embracing failure. It may sound counterintuitive, but failure often serves as the stepping stone to success. It's through our mistakes that we learn and grow. Instead of viewing failure as a setback, start seeing it as a learning opportunity. It's a chance to analyze what went wrong, make necessary changes, and come back stronger. By embracing failure, you're fostering resilience and perseverance, which are key traits for achieving long-lasting success. So don't fear failure. Instead, learn from it and use it as a tool to propel you forward. Number 8 on our list is all about embracing curiosity. Curiosity fuels creativity, sharpens problem-solving skills, and promotes lifelong learning. It's the spark that ignites new ideas and fresh perspectives. So how can you keep your curiosity alive? Start by asking questions, no matter how simple or complex. Seek out new experiences, whether it's learning a new skill, exploring a new place, or meeting new people. Keep an open mind and embrace the unknown. Remember, curiosity is the engine of achievement. It's your curiosity that will lead you to discover new paths, overcome obstacles, and ultimately achieve your goals. At number 9, we delve into the practice of mindfulness. This is a state of active, open attention to the present, and it's a doorway to benefits like reduced stress, improved focus, and better mental health. But how can you practice mindfulness? Well, you can start with meditation, a proven method to cultivate mindfulness. You can also try mindful eating, paying attention to each bite, savoring the taste and texture of your food. Or perhaps try mindful walking, fully immersing yourself in the experience of walking and the sensation of movement. This practice is a powerful tool that can enhance your overall well-being. So remember, mindfulness is the key to living in the present moment, enhancing your curiosity from scene 8, and preparing you for quick decision-making in scene 10. Moving on to number 9, it's time to become a decision-making pro. This hack is all about making quick yet effective decisions. It's not about rushed choices, but informed ones. Weigh your options, trust your gut, and act decisively. This skill can save you time, reduce stress, and increase confidence. Start by making small decisions quickly, like choosing your lunch or your outfit. Gradually, you'll improve your ability to make bigger decisions faster. With this hack, you'll become a decision-making master in no time. And now, the number 1 life hack you should never forget: prioritize your health. It's the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Eating balanced meals, staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, and sleeping well are non-negotiable. No success or wealth can compensate for poor health. Dedicate time each day to nurture your physical and mental well-being. Embrace activities that reduce stress and bring joy. It's about making small, consistent changes to your daily routine. Remember, when you take care of your health, everything else falls into place.